Hi, Dave Deanhart with W Designs here. So anybody who's got any of these old 80s robots probably has some electrical problems or has encountered them from time to time. So we're going to go through real quick on how to troubleshoot and diagnose some of those problems here with our Robie Junior Radio Shack robot. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this up on its back. You're going to remove 5 screws. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. I've already removed those for the purposes of this demo. We're going to go ahead and tilt this down. We're going to hold the top because we don't want these wires to get torn. We're going to take a picture so we can make sure we know what wires go where, because the last thing we want to do is get done and not know how to put it back together again. It's pretty dummy proof. There's a 4-pin, a 2-pin, a 3-pin that are white. There's a 3-pin and a 2-pin that are red. You're just going to pop those off. Once you get those popped off, the top half will pull away. And what you're going to do here is you're going to look around, because when I received this one, it worked a little bit, but it had some problems. So what I ultimately ended up doing was I ended up resoldering these solder joints here because the wires had broken free over the years. And then I resoldered a few other solder joints as well. Some of these look really dull. A good solder joint should be shiny. So if you have a soldering iron and you have some solder and you've got the thing apart, you might as well go ahead and resolder these and get them nice and shiny so that they'll be a really good conductor. So basically all you have to do is hold the soldering iron onto the existing solder, put a little solder there. I've got some flux core in this, so that helps it stick. And just re-tin those. That's all you got to do. Just go around and hit any of them that look bad. Just check any of them that may have come loose and just solder them back down. That's all there is to it. Putting it back together is obviously just as easy as taking it apart. All you have to do is connect your wires back up. Got the 4 there. You got the 2-pin here. Got the 3-pin here. Got a 2-pin here that's red. And got a 3-pin red here. Although I'm going to disconnect that white one because these wires got tangled up a little bit. Go ahead and hook that red one back up. Then I will go ahead and hook the white one back up. We'll get this realigned again. Again, take pictures. Take plenty of pictures with your phone or whatever you got so that when you need to put it back together, you've got reference photos. I recommend taking them from each and every angle as you go because you can never have too many. There's been times where I've taken something apart and I've just taken crazy photos from all these different angles. And sure enough, when it came time to do something, I had no idea where it went and was pretty lucky to actually have a photo to reference there. So once we've got it set up, I just put a couple screws back in because I don't want to put all the screws in. I went ahead and left the batteries in it. It's low voltage. It's not a big deal as long as it's turned off. Just try not to bump your power switch. We can turn this guy on. Hello. And we can test him out. Make sure he's working. Once you confirm that he's working, go ahead and flip him back on his back. Put the rest of the screws in, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Talk to you guys later.